Welcome to our short kitting demonstration video for the JHB C-Series split bearing, a direct interchange unit for SKF Cooper, Craft and Timken SRB split bearing units. Unlike our competitors, our bearing units are supplied without inner races as a group size bearing kit, which contains 2 clamp rings, a cage and roller assembly, and an outer race, as well as a bag containing 6 clamp ring joint screws, 4 needed, we supply 2 spares, and the relevant hex key. Oh, and instructions. The item missing is the inner race, and we will deal with how this is supplied now. Here we have the inner race kit, which contains multiple bore size inner races. So the idea is to select the inner race of the bore size bearing you are kitting and simply take it from the inner race kit and add it to the group bearing kit like so. You can see here we have positioned the inner race within the outer race. Once the inner race is added, the picker should mark the label on the tube to show which inner race was added. The bearing shown here is hence CB 050M fixed. The completed bearing can now have its lid fitted and is ready for shipping. We suggest taping the tube by vertically banding, avoiding covering the label to secure the tube. For inventory control, we suggest making use of the stock control portion of the label on the inner race kit and update the inventory for the inner race taken like so. In this case, crossing 3, indicating 2. Free, non-locating and fixed locating grouped bearing kits are supplied separately and identified via the group bearing kit label as shown here. Be sure to select the correct group bearing kit for the bearing you are kitting. The difference between the 2 kits is merely the outer races. Planar for the free bearing, lipped for the fixed. So in summary, the JHB C-Series bearing is supplied as either a free or a fixed bearing kit, and then the correct inner race is added from an inner race kit. This feature massively reduces inventory as each stocked group bearing kit can be used for all bore sizes within the group. Inner race kits can be built up containing any mixture of inner races, i.e. different bores. All inner races are common to both free and fixed bearings. One further point is that all our bearing components are interchangeable with each other, i.e. any inner race can be used with any bearing kit. To finish, here we see the JHB C-Series unit on the left alongside its bigger sibling, the JHB Advanced unit on the right. Many thanks for your time taken to watch our video. We would like to thank our assistant, available for today, standing in for Cindy Crawford. Many thanks.